that he was hungry from 10 days. And we all feel very sad that a person lost his life just because of some food which we normally leave in our plates. In reality, the person died not because of food, but because of our selfish mindsets. Without selfish reason, we don't even look at anyone, forget about talking. If today someone has lost life because of our selfish nature, then tomorrow we may also lose our lives because of someone else's selfishness. That is why it is important to shun away our selfishness and see that someone might need our help. God has created us as humans, and our identity as human is our humanity.
Yes, sure. What happened? Yes. Huh? Yes, I'm coming. I'll be there.
What happened, driver? Is everything fine?
Sir, my father is very serious and we need to take him to the hospital. Can I leave you in the office and leave for home?
You just do one thing, you take an auto from here itself. I will drive the car.
Okay, sir.
And do one thing, you keep this money, okay?
Sir, it is not needed. Anyways, you're helping me a lot.
You praise me some other day. This is important. Please keep it.
Thank you, sir.
Come on,
Okay.
go fast. You know, I really like driving. But your mommy does not listen. Today, we are going to have some fun. Let's go. Hey!
Mama, are you going out somewhere?
No, dear. I'm just going to Kapoor Auntie's place.
Kapoor auntie?
Actually, the women from our society are collecting funds for Women Workers Association. And Kapoor Auntie is our president. So I need to discuss something very important with her on this. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
I'll be back soon.
Clean that properly. I shouldn't get to see any dust, okay?
Okay.
Oh, hello, madam. Didn't you hear the doorbell? Go and see who is on the door.
Oh, hello. Please come in. Hello, Mrs. Kapoor.
Oh, hi, Sarika. How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Please sit.
Thanks. This is a list of collection.
Okay. Now tell me, what will you have?
Nothing, dear. Only a glass of water.
Only water?
Oh, wow. Your maid is very smart.
What very wise. I have to teach her everything. You know what kind of maids we get in Mumbai, right? You know they think they are the half owners of the house. So I need to put them under pressure. Okay. You know, I was thinking, Sarika, you and Alpna should go and finish off the formalities of the registration of our NGO. And rest we can discuss in the meeting, right?
Okay.
Okay? What is this? You should bring the snacks along with the water, right? Told you to get water means you will only get water, huh?
I'll get it now.
Oh, keep the water here at least. Yes, Mrs. Srivastav.
I'm really sorry, madam. Because of me, the papers have got wet. I'll just dry them right now. These papers are already saved in my computer. So I'll get new printouts. Madam, please give me some time. I will dry them out and give it to you. I'll be back. You have really high fever. You should be on leave and take rest. Wait, Let me tell Mrs. Kapoor now, so then you can leave. No, madam. Please do not tell her anything. I'm absolutely fine. If I ask her for leave, then she will ask me to quit my job, madam. And today, she has to give me my monthly salary. And by tomorrow, I have to deposit the school fee of my child. And if I ask her half-day leave, then she will deduct full-day salary, madam. But you have very high fever. At least take some medicine. No, madam. I'll take the medicine at home.
Oh, no, there's nothing as such.
Are you okay, Mom?
Don't worry. I'm absolutely fine.
Then these medicines?
Kapoor auntie's maid is not feeling well. These medicines are for her.
Then Kapoor auntie should give the medicines to her. Why are you getting so worried?
Sit here. Do you know? I have no issues in helping others. Rather, I really like doing that. That at least we are able to help someone. And whether Kapoor auntie is giving the medicine or I, the important part is that the maid should feel fine.
You are very nice, Mama.
Will you do something?
What, Mama?
When you see Sunita coming out, please call her home.
Okay, Mama.
Good boy.
Auntie! I'm talking to you. Are you Sunita auntie, right? Mama has called you. Please come. Mama, Sunita auntie has come.
Coming, son. Hey, Sunita, why are you standing? Come and sit. Please sit. Come here and feel comfortable. Sit. Have your meal. Then you have to take your medicine. Krish, get a glass of water for her.
Okay, Mama.
After eating, have all these medicines. And after you reach home, rest well so that by tomorrow, you will feel absolutely fine. Now take this. Have your medicine. Take it. Madam, you have taken so much trouble for me. You are very nice. Otherwise, nobody thinks about the maids as to how they are doing. Who cares? Forget about giving medicines. And if someone gives us medicines, then it is because of their fear that if we go on sick leave, then who will do their work for so many days? Can I say something, Sunita? People like us, the so-called high society people, are dependent on you, who does all the household work. And they tend to be so dependent on you that without you, they can't even imagine doing a single task. And do you know? It is because of status and superiority reasons, they will never agree to the fact that more than you needing them, they need you. Do you get that? So never feel so inferior in life.
Many people just keep on waiting that when they'll have money, they will help others. But to help someone, we need not wait for money or time. We can start it from anywhere and anytime. Maybe someone does not need money, but he's in need of your help at that particular time. If you look around properly, then you will realize that people are in so much need of help, whether he is rich or he is poor. And if you are present when someone is in trouble, then you should always help him.
Papa, why is this bowl and plate here?
For the birds,
Why?
because they too get hungry and thirsty like us. But they just cannot express like us. Then they should also have self-service, right? Whenever they want, they can come and eat and go. Isn't that right? Then from today, whenever there is no water in this bowl and food on this plate, it is your responsibility to refill it.
Papa, do you really like to help everyone? That is why you do all this? When I saw you helping driver uncle, that time I really felt good. Papa, have you always helped others?
No. In life, we learn things from others. I was never like this before. I never cared for human emotions and feelings at all. Then I met someone who taught me these emotions.
Who did this, Papa?
There was one boy.
Auntie, whenever you feel you want to roam in the garden, please call me through the window. I will bring you down and also drop you back at home. You must be feeling tired sitting all alone at home. I think secretary's car has come. Just wait for 2 minutes. I shall be back. Okay?
Where were you?
Sir, I was...
You have been employed here to be at the gate or to roam around the building. If you cannot work properly, then get out from here.
You did not do so good.
What? Did you say something?
You fired him today. He was a nice person.
You shouldn't have hit Raju today.
All of you are full of praise for Raju. He was a mere watchman. Someone else will come.
He was not just a watchman. For some, he was like a son. And for others, a friend. And more than that, he's a very nice person. Do you know what? Even though we are neighbors, we did not know that after the death of Verma uncle, Verma auntie had a lot of financial problems. But Raju understood everything even though he is a watchman. And he used to secretly help Verma auntie. Auntie, let's go.
Did you not try to find him?
I tried to find him everywhere, but could not find him. I could not even ask him for forgiveness. He taught me these lessons, my son, and I just try to follow them in life. It feels good if I can be like Raju to someone.
And Raju?
Maybe someday I will find him.
Uncle, please stop the car. Take this. It seems that you're very hungry. Take it. Papa, I really felt good after helping that boy.
Yes, son. You are right. We get happiness and peace when we help others.
Yes, Papa. So every Saturday and Sunday, can we go to help those who are in need?
Why not? Of course.
Then alright, we will take your, mummy's and my clothes. Along with the things that we don't need, we will carry it with us and shall give them to needy.
Wow, that's a nice idea. I'm proud of you, my son.
Nowadays, we see people around us who are fighting with their problems. Maybe that it is a very big trouble for him, but for you, it's nothing. And it also means that we have the possibility and capacity to solve that problem easily. If your capacity and capability can be used to help somebody, then nothing can be as good as this. But many a time, because of our busy schedule, we cannot initiate it. I tell you to make a start. Then you can test your capability that you can help someone.